expats! Do you want to make your own pepperoni sausages? If you do, step this way. Hi everyone, it's James here, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade pepperoni sausages. It's not the exact pepperoni that you know, but close enough. Better than nothing. I've been living in Japan for a long time and I have been craving for pepperoni. So I went online to see if I could find a recipe on how to make your own pepperoni sausages. I found some and they're basically the same. I experimented with different recipes and I came up with one good recipe, and I've been using that recipe ever since. I'm going to show you how to make your own knockoff pepperoni sausage. So in front of me are the spices. I have half a tablespoon of mustard seeds, a half tablespoon of oregano, a half tablespoon of black pepper, a half tablespoon of salt, in my case sea salt, a half tablespoon of paprika. You can use cayenne pepper if you want. A half tablespoon of fennel seed, a half tablespoon of anise, a half tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. I use this measuring spoon. It's a half tablespoon for all the spices. Okay, so let's get started. I got an extra bowl because I'm going to put my dry spices in one bowl like this. So I'm going to just dump the oregano, the mustard seeds, the salt, get all the salt, sugar, garlic, black pepper, paprika, fennel, and anise. I'm going to stir everything together. I can use a fork or use a whisk. I'm going to mix everything together to make it nice and even. Okay, so it looks like that. I'm going to put the spices, I'm going to put the seasoning into the meat, like so. And my hands are clean, so you can use gloves if you want, but I'm going to use my hands. Get down. Now if the meat isn't salty enough, you can add more salt if you want. Blend everything together. Oh my god, it smells wonderful. Oh my god, I can just smell the, oh my god, it smells awesome. Everything's just marrying together. Oh my god, the blending, oh my god. Okay. Good. That's it. Now we're ready to case everything. I don't have sausage casings, so it's up to you. You can go online and buy sausage casings, or you can use saran wrap. If you put the meat in the freezer, it should last for several weeks, and it's awesome with breakfast. It smells better than it looks. Okay, so now it's time to make. Now it's time to mold them into sausages. You can decide the thickness on your own. I have a sheet of saran wrap here. You can decide the thickness. You can decide the thickness of the sausage. So I'm going to put, for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to take this much. Oh, I can put a little bit more meat. Just use your hands, shape it like so. Just decide the thickness. Yeah. I'll start from the end. Take one end, I'll just roll it like you're rolling tobacco. Like that. So it does look like a sausage now. Now you want to get the ends as well. So I'm going to take another sheet of saran wrap, a longer sheet. Put the sausage in the middle. Fold the ends first. And then roll it. Ta-da! Pepperoni sausage. Put this in the freezer. It should last several weeks. Always make sure that it looks fresh. Put this in the freezer, let it harden, and then cook it up for breakfast, or you could just eat it as a snack after you cook it, of course, or you can even barbecue this. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye!